Did you know you can create a brush in Photoshop that gives a stunning 3D effect? It's surprisingly simple. Hold down the brush tool icon and a drop-down menu will appear with more options. From there, select the Mixer Brush tool. From the Current Brush Load drop-down menu, uncheck the option Load Solid Colors Only. Then return to the drop-down menu and select Load Brush. Adjust the brush size to match the size of the sample sphere. Then hold Alt and click on the sphere to sample it. Always ensure that Sample All Layers is checked before sampling the sphere. Next, from the Useful Mixer Brush Combination drop-down menu, select Dry Heavy Load. Then click on both the Load Brush after each stroke and Clean Brush after each stroke buttons. Set the following settings for your brush: Wet 0%, Load 100%, and Leave Mix empty, Flow 100%, and Smoothing 10%. If you start drawing and notice it's very slow to respond, it's because Sample All Layers is checked. Simply uncheck it and your strokes will become smooth and quick. You can sample from any sphere and create 3D strokes with the mixer brush. You can take samples from any pattern, 3D sphere, or any design your creativity inspires. Now I will show you how to write text and apply a stroke using the selected design of the mixer brush. First, type your desired text and scale it to the larger size. Next, hold Ctrl and click on the text layer icon to make your text into a selection. Then create a new layer, go to the Paths tab, select the Marquee tool, right-click inside the selection and choose Make Work Path, tolerance of 0.5 and hit OK. Next, select the mixer brush and resize it to your desired stroke. Then go to the Paths tab and click the stroke path with brush icon to apply the stroke to your text path. Here your 3D text is ready. You can take any sample with the mixer brush and repeat the steps to create more 3D text effects with various designs. I have collected some sapphire designs and created a few examples, which I will show you. You can download them all from the description under the download section. You can also use the mixer brush to draw 3D cartoons and other creative effects. Additionally, you can draw with shapes and give them a beautiful 3D look using the same technique. The possibilities are endless with this powerful tool.